Hey, magnificent second grade authors! Welcome to day 2 of our narrative writing about a time when you were responsible. Today we're doing topic and conclusion sentences. So today on our narrative writing checklist, we are working on restating the prompt in our topic sentence and providing a conclusion sentence. In our example, the prompt was tell about a time when you felt happy, and our topic sentence is, a time when I felt happy was when I went to Lagoon for the first time. And our conclusion sentence is, I had a delightful time on my first trip to Lagoon. So specifically, they're taking the keywords and literally, I think they take almost the entire sentence and turn it into the beginning part of their topic sentence. And you don't have to take you don't have to put it at the beginning of your topic sentence, but you really do want to put those keywords. So a time when, switch you out for I, because you're writing about yourself, felt happy, was when, and then insert whatever, right? For your conclusion sentence, you can do a very similar thing, or you can work with synonyms. This one, I had a delightful time. If you're having a delightful time, you tend to be happy. And then we're restating what the event was that this whole paragraph was about. So find those keywords in the prompt and restate them. Our prompt for this week is, write about a time when you were responsible. What did you do? Why did you do it? How did other people react? Now, for this week, and I know this because I'm the person who wrote it, your prompt, these questions right here, what did you do? Why did you do it? And how did other people react? Those are more for your information, like questions you can ask yourself to help you write it if you're struggling on what to write. Your prompt, you really do want to focus on this part. Write about a time when you were responsible. So your topic and conclusion sentences, you really want to focus on that first sentence. On your Foursquare, whether you create a digital one or one with paper or on a whiteboard, we are currently going to be working in the topic sentence box and the conclusion sentence box. So, restating our prompt, look for those keywords. What do you think the keywords in that sentence are? The main keyword, if we were just going to choose one, is responsible. The words I would repeat in my topic sentence is a time when I, and then I'd switch were to past tense when you're referring to yourself, which is was. So I have a time when I was responsible was when blank. What are you going to fill in that blank depends on you and your own story. Now, of course, you don't have to do a topic sentence exactly like mine, but that's kind of the easiest way to do it. And then your conclusion sentence, very, very similar. As you can see, blank, whatever the event was, is a time when I was responsible. Okay? And that's really all you need to do today. If you want to change it up, you feel like you have a topic or conclusion sentence that matches the prompt that you like better, fantastic. If not, you can take my sentence frames and change them into your own experience. I will see you guys next time. Good luck.